let's talk for a minute. You have to vent about this. I don't know why it bothers me so much. I mean, I know why it bothers me, but I feel like it shouldn't bother me to the extent that it does, okay? I went for a walk during my break, all right? And I went to the treadmill. I would have preferred to go outside, but it's kind of like raining off and on, so whatever. And sorry, I forgot what I was saying because I'm working, but something along the lines of that I go to the gym in my community, and as I walk in, there was 3 people there, and it's not about the people at the gym because there's usually people there, like that's not a big deal. It's just the way they were carrying themselves being there, and I didn't like the vibe as soon as I walked in. But nonetheless, I went to the treadmill. There's 2. I particularly like one specifically. If I had to go to the other one, I would, no problem, but it was empty. However, there were some weights on the floor. So I'm like, so I keep getting interrupted and I can't finish my thought. So, okay, long story short, the lady was just in like a nightgown. La verdad que no sé, I don't know. But, so I think I asked her, whatever. The point is that it just rubs me the wrong way. Like, why not clean up after yourself? Those little dumbbells were left by the treadmill I used, and also the bench was pushed like almost near the door instead of by the weights where they belong. And it's so simple. Like, all you have to do is just put stuff back where you got it, keep the space clean, you know. And of course, okay, well, the benches they were using, and I can confirm that, like that, they didn't move back. The dumbbells, obviously it could have been left by somebody before then. I don't know for sure. It's not like I'm trying to put all the blame on them, but obviously they were the ones that are there. So, and then the fact that they didn't move the bench back when they left makes me believe that the dumbbells were from them as well. But it's fine, I don't know for sure. I ended up putting the dumbbells back, and then when I left, I noticed that the bench wasn't moved. And it just literally just rubs me the wrong way. I don't like it, like, at all. I didn't move the bench myself, just because I didn't feel like lifting that heavy thing. I didn't move it. The dumbbells were like 5 pounds each or whatever, but I was like, I'm not gonna do that. So I don't think that makes me a bad person. It kind of sits in my conscience, but it'll go away. And all that to say, like, it costs $0. It costs zero money, 0 cents to just be a decent person and do what you're supposed to do the right thing. Like, okay, sorry, I mean, I got it off my chest. I feel better, but it doesn't fix the problem. So until it happens again, and then, you know, anyway, whatever. I'm gonna make myself something to eat because I'm hungry. Maybe a salad. Feeling a salad? Yeah, I'm feeling a salad. How about a salad? All right, well, I still have to edit yesterday's vlog. I'm a face picker. I'm gonna make some ground turkey, just a few potatoes left, and some butternut squash.